Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be showing you how you can fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later issue on your device. Basically, this kind of issue or interface occur whenever there is no internet connection or there is no stable internet connection. So then make sure to check the internet connection and then you'll be able to fix your issue. Although if you have a stable internet connection and if you're still facing this kind of problem, then what you can do is simply head towards your Play Store and then on the search box type in WhatsApp. And over here you'll have to make sure whether the application is updated or not. So out here you can see that the update is available, which means that all I have to do is tap on update. After you update your application, there are slight chances that you'll be able to fix your issue. So instead of doing this as well, you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your WhatsApp application, and after that tap on app info. Now you'll have to tap on storage and then tap on clear cache and clear data. So keeping in mind, as you tap on clear data, all your information will be erased, which means that you'll have to log in once again. So after you re-log in into your device, then you'll be able to fix your issue. So after doing all of these methods, if you face similar problem, then once again do the same process, that is long press on your WhatsApp application and then tap on app info. So now instead of storage, you'll have to tap on mobile data. So over here you'll have to make sure whether the Wi-Fi and data is enabled or not. So that might be one of the reasons for your issue. So after that as well you face similar problem, then what you can do is you simply restart your device. Sometimes what happens is that there might be an issue with your device and not with the application. So after you restart your device, there are slight chances that you might be able to fix your issue. Instead of following all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then there is one last method. What you can do is you simply have to reinstall your WhatsApp application. So after you reinstall your application, you might be able to solve your problem. So those were a few methods on how you can fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later issue on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.